We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Frog Room Decor Hippity Hoppity Get Off My Property sign. This funny vintage metal tin sign is designed to add a whimsical yet clear warning to any space, whether it be your home, garden, bedroom, or door. It measures approximately 12 by 8 inches and is made from high-quality aluminum, which makes it durable and weather-resistant. Users appreciate that the sign is not easy to bend, does not rust, and maintains bright colors over time. The environmentally friendly and recyclable nature of the aluminum material also appeals to those who value sustainability. The sign features a humorous frog graphic alongside the phrase, "Hippity Hoppity Get Off My Property," which many find amusing and a clever way to discourage trespassers. This combination of humor and function is a strong point noted by users who enjoy quirky, vintage-style decorations. The sign's artificial patina and rust-like scratches give it a nostalgic, retro look without actual damage, which adds character and charm to any setting. Installation is straightforward thanks to 4 pre-drilled holes in the rounded corners. This design allows for easy hanging or mounting on various surfaces such as walls, doors, fences, poles, and gates. Customers have successfully used screws, anchors, double-sided foam tape, command strips, jute rope, or nails to secure the sign. One reviewer mentioned using a masonry bit and anchors to mount it on concrete bricks, highlighting the sign's versatility and sturdiness in different environments. Users particularly like the sign's size and weight, which make it manageable to place in multiple locations without being cumbersome. At just under 5 ounces, it is light enough for easy handling, but solid enough to feel substantial. The bright colors and clear text make it highly visible, which is important for a no trespassing sign. The design is playful yet effective, striking a balance between decoration and warning. The sign is well suited for both indoor and outdoor use. Many customers have placed it in kitchens, bedrooms, gardens, garages, and even office spaces to add a touch of personality and humor. It works well as a conversation starter and a decorative piece that also serves a practical purpose. The vintage metal look fits well with rustic, farmhouse, or eclectic decor styles. One of the key highlights from user feedback is the sign's quality. Despite its lightweight construction, it does not feel flimsy or cheap. The aluminum material resists bending and damage, and the print quality remains sharp and vibrant over time. Users have reported that the colors do not fade easily, even when exposed to sunlight or outdoor weather conditions. On the downside, a few users noted that the color of the print might differ slightly from what is seen on screens, which is a common issue with printed products. However, this variation is minor and does not detract from the overall appeal of the sign. Another consideration is that while the sign is weather-resistant, extremely harsh conditions over long periods might eventually affect its appearance, but this is typical for metal signs exposed outdoors. The Frog Room Decor Hippity Hoppity sign also makes a unique gift. It is ideal for friends or family members who enjoy vintage decor, frogs, or humorous home accessories. It can be a fun addition to a collection of quirky signs or a standalone piece that adds character to a space. Overall, the sign combines durability, humor, and style effectively. It is a well-made product that meets the expectations of those looking for a fun yet functional, no trespassing sign. The ease of installation, weather resistance, and charming design contribute to its positive reception. If you own this sign or decide to get one, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and make it easy for you to find this item. In conclusion, the Frog Room Decor Hippity Hoppity Get Off My Property sign is a delightful and practical piece of decor that brings personality and a clear message to your space. It is recommended for anyone who appreciates vintage-style metal signs with a humorous twist and wants a durable, easy-to-install, no trespassing sign. Its blend of aesthetics and functionality makes it a standout choice in its category.